Hello students, today we are going to see about the transportation problem. So what is transportation problem? So transportation problem deals with the transportation of a single product from several sources to several destinations. So we have to transport a product from several centers to destinations. So in order to transport, we have to spend some money on the transportation. So in order to minimize the cost, so we have to schedule our transportation. So to find the schedule, we are using several methods, that is northwest corner method and least cost method, and final one is Vogel's approximation method. Using these methods, we can find the starting solution, that is initial basic feasible solutions we can find using these three methods. The first method we are going to see today is northwest corner method. So from the title itself, it is clear that we have to use northwest corner cell. So to proceed with this method. So problem is given. So what is the problem? Obtain an initial basic feasible solution to the following problem. So here are the destinations. The column denote the destination D, E, F, G. Here are the sources. A, B, C are the sources. Sources availability is given here and destination requirement is given here. 200, 225, 275 and 250 are the requirements and availability is given here. So we have to find initial basic feasible solution using northwest corner method. So first we have to write this problem as it is. So what is given here? 11, 13, 17, 14 and availability is 250. 16, 18, 14, 10, 300 and 21, 24, 18, 10 and availability is 400. So here requirement is 200, 225, 275 and 250. So these are known as cells. So this is cell 11. So first row, first column. So this is known as cell 11, cell 12, cell 13, cell 14, cell 21, cell 22, cell 23, cell 24, cell 31, 32, 33, 34. So these are known as cells. We have to allocate the values for these cells. So how we have to allocate? So we have to allocate the minimum values from the requirement and availability. So we have to allocate for the first cell. So here the northwest corner is the first cell. Upper left corner is the northwest corner. So upper left corner, here we have the cell 11. So this is cell 11. So cell 11 has the value 11. So for the cell 11, we have to allocate the value. So we have to take minimum value from availability and requirement. Which is minimum? 250 or 200. So 200 is minimum. So we have to allocate 200 for this cell. So we have to search for the another cell in which we have to allocate. So to find the next cell, so we have to see the maximum of this requirement and availability. Which one is maximum? 200 or 250? 250 is the maximum. So 250 in this row. So that is horizontally to this cell. So horizontally next to this cell is 13. So we have to allocate 13 for this cell. So here 200 should be subtracted from row as well as from column. So here 200 is subtracted, then we will get 50. So 250 minus 200 is 50. So here we have 50 and 225 as availability and requirement. So which one is minimum? 50 is minimum. So 50 you have to choose. So next we have to choose the next cell. So in order to choose the next cell, we have to see the maximum value. Here we have 50 and 225 here. Which one is maximum? 225 is maximum. So 225 is vertically down to this cell. So vertically down means here we have to allocate for this cell. So here 50 should be subtracted from here and 225 also will be 175. So here 175 and 300, which one is minimum? 175 is minimum, so we have to allocate 175 for this cell. So next we have to choose the next cell. So how to choose the next cell? So we have to see the maximum value. Here we have 300 and 175 here. So for the maximum 300 we have to move horizontally. So horizontally means here we have to allocate the next value. So here you have to subtract 175 from 300, so you will get 125. So 175 will go off here. So here if you allocate 125 to 75, you will have to minimum value as 125. So next you have to choose the next cell. So how to choose the next cell? So we have to choose the bigger value, that is the maximum value. So here 125 is here and 275 is here. So which one is maximum? 275 is maximum. So we have to vertically down. You have to choose the cell vertically down. So you have to allocate for this cell. So 125 should be subtracted from here, so you will get 150 and 125 will go off. So you have to allocate here the minimum value 150 and 400 is here. So you have to allocate 150 in this cell. So next you have to choose for the next cell. So here the maximum is 400, so you have to move horizontally to the next cell. So 10. So 150 should be striken off and 400 should be subtracted with the 150. So you will get here 250. So 250 minimum is 250. So here we have allocate 250 for the final cell. From starting from the first cell, we end up in the final cell. So this is how the northwest corner method will be. So we have to start from the northwest corner, that is upper left corner, and we have to end with the lower corner, that is the final cell of this tabular column. It is 10. So for 10 we have allocated 250. So now we have to identify initial